This is the warning of Super Typhoon 1. It's not signal number 1 there in Misamis Oriental. It's little bit hanging. Oh, look like that. Oh, that's hanging, bro. In Saturday night, in November 8th at 12th anniversary Super Typhoon Yolanda. Okay, that's okay. And signal number 2 is still summer, northern summer, lady, then Catanduanes, Bicol region, not Bicol region, it's only Catanduanes. Then Masbate is signal number 1. So close to signal number 2. Okay, this is Misamis Oriental. It's not signal number 1. It's 10 speed kilometers per hour. It's only wind gustness is 15 kp. That's my big boy. Okay, and so hangin. Prepare for the Luzon and Bicol region. Please subscribe and like that one now. Please prepare your food. Prepare your agriculture. Okay, it's landfalls in Luzon around 9 p.m. to Sunday night to Monday morning. Like the estimated is 9 p.m. to 8 a.m. Okay, it's okay. Goodbye. See you next time of warning of typhoon. Okay. Ay napakay ko. I have the one. Storm surge 1. Okay, storm surge is +3 1 at the Philippine Sea. The Taiwan is 1 to 2 meters. In Philippines is +3 meters of storm surge. But Misamis Oriental is 1 to 2 meters storm surge. Okay? Goodbye. I'm the weather forecaster Balitang Tan Gabriel Iatam. I will to be weather forecaster. Okay, goodbye. See you tomorrow. No, see you next time.